Are you looking for budget wired earphones that look and feel premium? Today we are checking out the CCZ SOLO dual magnetic circuit HiFi earphone that claim to deliver high resolution sound with style. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Let's see inside the box. What you will have is the user guide and then your earpiece different sizes and your cable tie with 3.5mm jack and your pin on how to connect it to your earbud. Lastly, your earbuds transparent. The design is clean and solid. This matte black finish with see-through parts, it looks sleek. And yes, it is made of zinc alloy metal, so it feels premium and durable in the hand. The fit is great. CCZ designed this with patented ear fins and a 45-degree in-ear angle to stay snug without discomfort even after long hours. It is lightweight, anti-fingerprint and wear resistant, perfect for long sessions whether you are gaming or mixing or podcasting. Now, let's talk about what's inside. These earphones come with a dual magnetic circuit, 10mm dynamic driver and a Punyoo PET composite diaphragm. And yes, they mention an upgraded diaphragm inspired by coffee. Not sure how that works, but hey, it sounds cool. Looking at the tuning, it delivers good clarity, especially in the mids and highs. The bass is not really super punchy, but it is clean and well controlled. Let's put it to the test with a few music genres: jazz, pop, rock, and EDM. Jazz and pop really clean and pleasant. Rock music, impressive separation and clarity. Vocals and instruments are sharp. EDM, the bass feels a little tame. It is there, but don't expect a chest thumping thump. Still, the clarity is solid across the board. So, here's my verdict. The CCZ SOLO is a great budget pick for those who want hi-fi style wired sound. Perfect for casual listening, vocals, podcasts, and even studio work, especially if you are into a jazz, pop, or rock. If you are bass-headed like me or listen to a lot of EDM, you might want something with stronger low end. If you found this review helpful, tap like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest review like this. Want me to compare this with other models? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.